There she blows, folks. Right over there. This huge area. It's the Richmond Buc-ee's. Kentucky style. First time going there. Let's experience it together, shall we? Quite a complex to get in and out. I mean, they have traffic circles, they have roundabouts. Kind of like have their own little town coming in and out of this place, I guess. I don't know. It's very well developed for a off the freeway gas station experience. Look at that. No trucks allowed at Buc-ee's. Interesting. This Buc-ee's has got quite the parking lot for a gas station. Inward. This way. Hiring a Buc-ee's. There's the pay right there. All right. Look at this. We got some grills. Got some smokers. $4.98. $2.69 on this one. Ooh, this is some nice fire barbecue pits. Look at this. $4.79 on this big huge thing. That's nice. Got some wood racks. $1.19. Bam. Grilling wood. Got it all. Got some corn for the deer. Look at this. We got this tabletop barbecue pit right here. That's fun. I like that little guy. All right, people. Let's go ahead and explore this together, shall we? The Buc-ee's. Look at this. I think what we're going to do is just kind of go for a walk around the perimeter first. So kind of enjoy the sights and sounds of Buc-ee's. We got kind of like a traffic jam in the main aisle, so we're kind of going around them here. But yeah, tons and tons of stuff. It's like a department store, excuse me. Look at this. People everywhere. I don't know if I knew there were so many people. Look at this. We've got the barbecue situations right there. Of course, down here, kind of have your typical gas station wares, your beverages, and your snacks. Now, Buc-ee's has tons of their own name brands. Light Delights. Meringue? Not merengue, it's meringues? How do you say that word? Meringue. We got some beets, okra, quail eggs. Wow. You got some Buc-ee's. Got that sweet heat. I used to have these as a kid. These wax bottles. I really had like a strong addiction for those. Got some hot sauces over here. Buc-ee's hot sauces. Look at that. Whole row of them. And then, of course, the barbecue. Look at the nuts, people. Come on now. What the what? Nut action. Only at Buc-ee's. Probably other places too, but Buc-ee's has a lot of nuts. And the jerky. Looks like we're running $8.99 for the smaller bags, $19.98 for the big ones. Small ones, 4 ounces, big ones. What do we got in the big ones here? 10 ounces. And then again, the coolers. We all know what those look like.
We're going to be looking at all the food offerings here at Buc-ee's. So I've heard great things about the banana pudding. They have banana pudding small and large. Looks like we have some cold salads, fruit cups, all kinds of cold sandwiches that are ready to go. Look at this one, a Southwest wrap. That looks pretty good. Here's another sandwich, it looks pretty good. Alamo turkey sandwich. Look at that. They got quite a few different things. Ooh, a key lime cup. Yum. Looks like if you just wanted some snacks for the road trip, we've got some meats and cheeses, pretzels. Oh, look at this one. Pretzels, some salami, cheese cubes. That's a perfect one for the cup holder. They've even got some veggies and ranch. At Buc-ee's, it looks like you can even get some glazed cashew samples. Thank you. It smells amazing because we've got those pecans, some almonds, and some glazed cashews as well. And a sample. Let's take a look at some of these hot sandwich offerings here. We've got some sliced brisket. A sliced brisket sandwich, $8.49. You can see them back there getting ready to do some more sandwich making. You got fried chicken sandwich. Ooh, look at that club melt. Look at that. That looks delicious. $8.99 for a club melt. Looks like they've got bags of beaver chips, otherwise known as some delicious potato chips. We got some chopped brisket, big buckin' brisket sandwich. That one's an extra large. Let's keep on looking what kind of offerings we have. Got some apple pie, sausage on a stick. Look at that. That looks pretty neat. Barbecue turkey sandwich, and some more brisket, pulled pork. Yum. If you're so inclined, you can even get some smoked meats by the pound. Buc-ee's wouldn't be complete without its very own bakery. They got a variety of muffins, cookies, cinnamon rolls, beaver tails, of course. Yum. There's that beaver tail. Burritos and tacos. Looks like we can head up and see what we have. Look at Texas cheesesteak burrito. That sounds pretty good. Pretty much anything that you're in the mood for, Buc-ee's probably has something similar or even better than what you were thinking about getting. Beef burritos, veggie burritos, and now we're on to the jerky bar. So they have a lot of different types of jerky. Let's take a quick peek. It goes down and down and down. Buc-ee's even has a little kiosk where you can go ahead and order your food from here. So if you wanted a BLT or some other sandwiches, go ahead and order it here and they'll call your number.
Buc-ee's cinnamon roll candle, anyone? It'll set you back $11.98.
So over on this side, it looks like we have some sweets. We have some fudge, which looks amazing. They have so many different kinds, like key lime pie fudge. Quite a variety. That's not it. It goes all the way down there. And if you just can't decide on what kind of fudge, it looks like they do have a couple different variety boxes. There is a price on the bottom. It looks like it's almost $16 for this big old box of fudge.
All right, we've made it to the land of Buc-ee Apparel. $17.98 for the t-shirts. A couple different options. You can get some absorbent coasters. Going to set you back $11.99. You want your bikini to be covered in Buc-ee's? They got that covered too. $11.98 a piece. It's kind of cool. They have like a world tour t-shirt, so reminiscent of like concerts. So right there you see Richmond, Kentucky. One of the stores they opened it up in 22. Also, $17.98.
You guessed it. One of the amazing things about Buc-ee's is their variety of beverages. So as you saw, we have different sizes and a lot of different varieties. We're gonna go with pineapple cream. Right there. Pineapple cream soda made with pure cane sugar.
You want a fun plush Buc-ee? It's gonna set you back. $11.98.
Those are all different types of soda.
All right, I found like the most ridiculous thing. I might have to actually get it. They have Hawaiian Buc-ee shirts. What the what? They feel decent. Look at that. A couple different designs on these. $24.98.
If you're so inclined to skip the soda and instead need some sweet tea, they have that as well, along with a lot of coffee. Lots of house blend, dark roast, decaf, and even iced coffee. The amazing thing is, you can go ahead and doctor up your coffee right behind that. And it looks like they even have coffee sauces, like chocolate sauce, different types of milk and cream, and of course, the different flavorings. You really could make yourself a pretty gourmet coffee at Buc-ee's.
So the restrooms at Buc-ee's, not going to show you in there too many people, but it's definitely where it's at. They're nice, they're clean. Each like urinal has its own like little cove that you go into. It's really private. Nice restrooms. So I did end up getting that shirt. I'll go ahead and throw a picture in there. I tried it on. Yeah, styling. Got some Ale 81 as well. A Kentucky original. Never tried it before. Buc-ee's. All right, I gotta tell you, this place is busy, just like all Buc-ee's. So you gotta be careful. There's people like running around all over the place. I've noticed when somebody hasn't been to Buc-ee's before, they kind of just stop in the middle of things and kind of check it all out. So you gotta be wary of the first time Buc-ee's travelers. Got the air conditioning on, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. But here's like, I'm gonna show you their road system. It's like you're driving an Aruba. You know, they've got all these roundabouts and whatnots. So just like with all Buc-ee's, super nice and easy with the entrance and the exit back onto the freeway. Gotta love it. It's a great stop. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Got another roundabout right here. We're gonna do it. Here we go. Bye-bye, everybody.